my quality people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.
Nigeria was registered as a member of Islamic organization that military generals resigned. Somebody like Aibe, like you just heard now. So let us continue to hear this.
Now, the thing is this. Buhari now has ruled Nigeria for consistently 8 years. Another Muslim government in Nigeria will automatically make us an Islamic country, recognized worldwide as an Islamic country.
He is not actually telling you the truth. That is why I don't like some of these preachers. Because he is not trying to tell you that Buhari have ruled 8 years. So this is a campaign. A campaign. But I want to use it against them. He said, Buhari have ruled 8 years. So if you allow Atiku to become president, you have turned Nigeria into Islamic State. If you allow Tinubu to become president, you are going to turn Nigeria into Islamic State. So he is indirectly telling you Obi is not a Muslim. But this is a lie. As a matter of fact, Nigeria, if it is just 10 years of ruling, Nigeria has qualified to become modern Islamic State. Because since the time Nigeria was registered, it has always been Muslim ruling Nigeria until 1999. For 10 years. I want to ask you, from 1989 to 1999, how many years? So if the criteria to become an Islamic nation, which already Nigeria is recognized as Islamic nation by some countries, if the criteria is that the country must be under Islamic leader for 10 years, so why is he talking about Buhari? Nigeria has qualified since Babangida, Abacha, Abdulsalami, Abubakar coming to Obasanjo. Am I making sense? Or are they trying to tell you that are they trying to tell you that the criteria for becoming Islamic State is that it must be under civilian rule? Is that what they try to tell you? The answer is no. So I want you people to understand that some of these preachers, they know the truth, they lie. So why is he lying? Why is he trying to tell you it is Buhari 8 years, and if you allow another Muslim 2 years, Nigeria has become Islamic State, recognized by so many nations in the world. It is just ignorant of some of you in Nigeria. Very ignorant people. Because you don't even know what is going on. How can somebody be preaching to you? Already, we have had it. That's what we are fighting against. And some of them don't know why it is like that. Some of them don't know why Arabic inscription is in Nigeria Army, whatever army logo. Some of them do not know why you have Arabic inscription in your Naira note. Why do you have Arabic inscription in your Naira note? Is Arabic an official language of Nigeria? Is Arabic official language? How many of you know what is called Arabic? I want everybody to understand today that Ekweremadu, Nigeria has happened to him. The question now is what next? And we are going to analyze these things this evening. I want you to understand that Ekweremadu is not the only criminal that is in prison or that has been arrested. The question now is that why is Ekweremadu own different? Why is it that Ekweremadu is facing criminal charges in the United Kingdom and they are in a rush to seize his properties? Do you know why? It is going to happen to all the governors of the Southeast and the South-South. And let me tell you, if Nigeria did not come for you, we, the Biafrans, will come for you for subjugating us and holding us back in Nigeria until 2023. For not supporting the freedom of your own people. When we finish with Fulani, we are coming for you people. Go and save today's date. Tell all the politicians in Biafra land that we are coming for them. We are coming for them. And it will start from this November. These enemies, they have looked down on us so much. When we were shouting to Ekweremadu that this Nigeria, one Nigeria, there's no road in one Nigeria. Ekweremadu was, stealing, and they were busy making him chief. Nigeria were busy making him chief. He was stealing. The award road in Enugu, he stole the money. The award Enugu on the expressway, he embezzled the money. All the people that they embezzled the money with, they are still gallivanting in Nigeria. They made them chief. They made them, some of them are still serving senator, some of them are governors, some of them are big men in their village, and they are moving around with siren and escort, being guided by criminals. Some of them are chief. When they go to their community, they are worshiping them. From the money of the masses, public money, public fund, they steal from Nigeria. And Nigeria is looking at them, and they don't want, because that is the people they have used against our freedom. When you talk, they tell you, you have governor. Who voted the governor? You. The governor you voted to power that should represent your interest in Nigeria. They are not doing it. They represent the interest of Fulani. When you tell Omahi of Ebonyi State, why are you acting the way you are acting? Omahi will say, I swore oath to defend the Constitution of Nigeria. It is time to defend the Constitution of Nigeria. Omahi did not defend it. Constitution of Nigeria, under that constitution, the court ordered Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Omahi did not stand up to defend the constitution. But Omahi is the chairman of the Governors Forum, where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come from. Omahi did not defend the Nigeria constitution, which he claimed that he swore oath to defend. So Omahi, from A to Z, we are coming for all of you in this revolution. We will capture all of you live. I want everybody to listen. Nigeria want to borrow money from China. They share the money to all the region. They excluded Biafra, southeast of part of Biafra. Ekweremadu was part of the Senate at that time. They came to Enugu. They do all this, their shenanigan meeting, and they started saying, my colleagues, this, my colleague in the Senate, this one was speaking, that one was speaking. The same Omahi did not stand up as the chairman of the Biafra or the Southeast Governors Forum to defend the constitution, which he claimed he swore. We keep this record for them. And all these governors, they will know how heartless we are. They will know that the freedom of Biafra will enter history, a different history book at the end of the day. Because we know. we know what we're going to face. But after we finish dealing with these people, these criminals and corrupt politicians from Biafra land, what Jerry Rawlings of Ghana did will be a small thing. Do you all know what happened in Ghana? Believe me, Ghana will be learning work from what is going to happen in Biafra land. Starting from this month, when I'm making this pronouncement and broadcast, I'm not telling you it is going to happen next day. I am saying that starting from this November, all the people that say Biafra people will not get freedom, you are going to receive woto from Biafra people. From this November. This November is, by the way, the month of woto pro mask. Woto pro mask. And I want to show to you today some of the activities of Biafrans that are ready to chase away the military, as we have banned the activities of every criminal Boko Haram military in Biafra, and we are starting it from this November. I want to give background, some of the reasons why the politicians from Biafra land will be dealt with mercilessly. All of them, from A to Z, because the many years of voting them into power have just brought a lot of mourning, anger, discomfort, subjugation, slavery, killings, extermination, annihilation, genocide, war crime, crime against humanity. That's all Biafra people have got from them. Nothing else. There is no road. There is no security. There is no social amenity. Everything we pay by ourselves. You pay for electricity, you buy your own generator, You pay for road, you construct your own road, your community road by yourself. You pay for own security, you pay for vigilante to guide you while you have Nigeria that produce oil. And you know what? Ekweremadu, they say he has 40 properties. All of them were seized. I am not concerned about property, but what I have come to say today is how many Fulanis?
Can you imagine? We're thinking that by now they will spread all over Abuja to protect Aso Rock or Abuja, but no, they are packing to Southeast.
How many Fulanis have you seen their property being seized? Now, what is the connection between Ekweremadu's owning property in Dubai and him facing criminal charges in the United Kingdom? What is the connection? What is the connection between Ekweremadu owning properties in America, in London, and other parts of the world with the criminal charges against him in the United Kingdom? What is the connection? There is no connection. There is no connection. The only connection is that Ekweremadu is Igbo man. So any given opportunity to bring Igbo man down, Fulani will not hesitate to do it. And this message today goes to all the governors of the Southeast. Igbo-speaking state of Biafra. Ekweremadu have now seen it. Who is going to fight for him in Nigeria? Who is going to fight for him in Igbo land? Who is going to fight for him in Biafra land? Nobody. Nobody. The same thing goes to every governor and every politician that is not supporting Biafra, either openly or secretly. Even if you are not supporting Biafra, that you are not supporting freedom of your people. We will skin you people. We will skin you people. The deadly and very ruthless revolution that is coming. Hey, Chineke, don't stay in Biafra land. Aramabuna. Don't stay. Because the Rollins treatment is coming in 100-fold. And you get Juno. Dotasunos. The revolution is coming. And everybody is very angry. I want to ask questions. How many politicians in Nigeria have you seen where they have problem and the AFCC will swing into action in the absence of that politician to seize his properties? It is only an Igbo politician. Serve the zoo and come back in shame. Omahi today is gallivanting himself. All the governors, they are parading themselves. We are defending Nigeria. We are defending Nigeria. Put yourself in the shoe of Ekweremadu today. All of you, you are not. Ekweremadu has been in the position for many years. How did he end? How many of you remember when I was here? Well, from some months ago, before Ekweremadu was arrested in London, I made a revolution. I don't know whether a revolution or a prediction. I told Ekweremadu, the time has come. You are going to pay. Is it not happening? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as well said it. Is it not happening? Just few weeks to his arrest. I made it. I want you people to understand one thing. To be a Biafran in Nigeria is the worst mistake that our elder and ancestors or whatever who made it possible have made to agree to be part of Nigeria. And let me tell you one thing. We are correcting it and we are pulling out this generation. What I'm here to do this evening is to call the attention of those who call themselves politicians from Igbo land. Look at, you people cannot even talk for Ekweremadu. You people cannot even speak. You are there. Nigerian government, Fulani, deliberately took Ekweremadu to court. It is absent. Collected all his properties. And all of them are watching. This is a slap. It is a very big slap. In as much as I hate Ekweremadu, and every Biafra hate him, because they contributed to what we are going through today. If you talk, they tell you Ekweremadu is serving. You voted Ekweremadu. Let Ekweremadu talk. And then when he wants to talk one Nigeria. Look at what one Nigeria is doing to him. The reason it is paining me is not because of Ekweremadu as a person, but because of the insult on Igbo tribe. Do you know how many criminals they paraded on media they want to? Abba Kayere, somebody mentioned it. Thank you very much. Abba Kayere built hotels everywhere. Abba Kayere, according to them, he is in prison. Have you heard where they say they want to go and seize Abba Kayere property? If they do it tomorrow, it's a camouflage. But Igbo people, all these people who died with Ekweremadu, from Governor Mahi down to all of them are keeping quiet, watching, ridiculing us as a people. Hi, Jesus Christ. I feel like crying. I feel like crying. But they will know that indeed Biafra have men. All these people are watching Nigeria ridiculing the Igbo. And nobody is talking. The people that have dined with Ekweremadu are not talking. Ohaneze, they are not talking. Governors Forum, they are not talking. This is the most disgraceful thing ever. That is how they will keep quiet. If not that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of Biafra people. That is what they want to do. Even as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is, these criminals, corrupt politicians, penetrated IPOB. They shared money. That is how everybody would have been watching. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be dying in DSS dungeon and nobody will make noise about it. This is breaking my heart. We have seen it all. The level of insult we have received from the politicians in Biafra land is unbearable. It's unbearable. All of them kept mute and quiet. And Ike Ekweremadu is going down. Ike Ekweremadu is going down in the United Kingdom. Ike Ekweremadu is going down in Nigeria. It is not about the crime, but the intention. What the Fulani government is doing. That is what is breaking my heart. Igbo people are unbelievable. And you know what? I don't even blame them. Who are they? You know, it's just that some of us that are fighting for Biafra, we have human heart. We feel pains of people, even those who have wronged us. And that is why Biafra is going to be different. Biafra will feel pain of our brother. So if you see all these people, from the senators to House of Representative members to governors to down to the local government chairman from Biafra land, all of them, they are keeping quiet, watching how Fulani ridiculing us. Nobody is talking. How can Ekweremadu be in United Kingdom and you go and collect his properties in his absence? And nobody is raising an eyebrow. And one thing is that some of the governors like Umahi, I am going to be calling Umahi. Umahi claims to be the chairman of the Governors Forum. They are not making statement. Although why would they even make statement? They fight each other. You know, if you are not in a political party of the same political party, you are automatically an enemy. What is happening to Ekweremadu is going to happen to all of them. It is either it is going to come from Nigeria or it is going to come from us, the Biafra people. And the time is here. I tell you, from this month, all of you will collect woto from this month. I want you to understand that I am not here to defend Ekweremadu. Ekweremadu is our enemy. Complete enemy. Anybody, if Ekweremadu is in Nigeria today, he will become a target also. Ekweremadu is our enemy. But you can't cajole us as a people. You can't use Ekweremadu to, to mock us. You can't use the Ekweremadu situation to insult us. You can't use the Ekweremadu situation to prove how irrelevant we are in Nigeria. You can't use a Ekweremadu situation to tell us that we are nobody in Nigeria. You can't use a Ekweremadu situation to say that you people don't belong to this country. That is why we are opting out. Now, the thing is that why we are fighting to leave Nigeria is because of all this corruption. Ekweremadu acquired 40 properties. What is he doing with 40 properties? But that is not the issue. The issue is that it is not only Ekweremadu that have property abroad. In Dubai, Atiku Abubakar, that is running for president now, have non-property, very big property in Dubai. How did he make the money? Atiku Abubakar was indicted in the United Kingdom for corruption. Obasanjo wrote a book about him. How many of Atiku property has been seized? Brutai have properties in Dubai. How many of the properties has been seized? But Ekweremadu has become a litmus test. And, sometimes he deserves it. But I want to use this to tell those who are trying to fight against our freedom that in the end of it, they say stay in Nigeria. They got the money from corrupt practices, stealing the money. The question is that if you want to fight those who stole money, start from your Atiku Abubakar. Start from Babangida. Start from Abdulsalami Abubakar.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here I said bye.